Hey there friends, Susan here. Time for sketch number 48. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button down below. Okay, so today we're using Fresh as a Daisy DSP. We're going to use this multi-paneled layer for pairing it with Moody Mauve and Basic White. So here's how I cut down my panel, and we're going to use 3 of these 4 sections in the card today. The first panel up on top, the gray one, I did some die cutting with the Cheerful Daisy dies for this little embellishment. Then I took the top right piece, flipped it over, used the Moody Mauve side, and die cut the tag element, which I'm then going to stamp on. I'm using So Sincere and Memento ink to create my little tag for the card. Then from the basic white, I die cut this large daisy die, and then I used my paper snips to snip it apart, and I'm going to use the small full daisy on the card today. Then I decided to add some texture, so with the Just Tile die, I embossed the card front. So here are all the parts and pieces for the project, and remember you can get the details in PDF format if you subscribe to the mini email tutorials. Let's put it together. So first we're going to fold in the middle and score it with our bone folder, so we have our textured card base. Then we're going to add our DSP. First with liquid adhesive, we're going to add the larger panel and frame it in on the right hand side. Then we're going to add the 2 gray embellishments with mini glue dots. I'm putting those off to the left. Next, I'm adding the sentiment tag with dimensionals over the top of those 2 little frilly pieces. And finally, with a mini glue dot, add the small die cut daisy. Then to add a little bit of bling, I added the 2023, 2025 in color dots in the wild wheat color to the center of that daisy. There we have it, our finished project for today. I hope you liked sketch number 48. I love the way this panel is framed in with those multiple patches of DSP. If you like it, leave me a comment below. Okay, so as always, remember to subscribe to the channel or to my newsletter, or both. You're welcome to do both. And leave me comments, let me know you've enjoyed the project. We'll stamp again real soon. Thanks everybody.